If you're planning a trip to Kentucky, specifically the Northern Kentucky region for the Creation Museum and the Ark Encounter, and you're looking for a hotel, consider the following option at the Candlewood Suites. It's very affordable. Today we're staying at Candlewood Suites in Erlanger, Northern Kentucky. Let's go and get checked in. Welcome back to the channel, folks. For those of you that are new, I'm Mary. I was born and raised right here in Northern Kentucky. Created this channel for folks traveling to the Bluegrass State. We will be exploring the best of Kentucky, including Noah's Ark and the Creation Museum, as well as many other family-friendly adventures. They do provide luggage racks. Nice welcoming environment. The ladies will get you checked in. I had a wonderful stay here at the Candlewood Suites. While breakfast is not provided, 24-hour coffee is provided here at the coffee bar. And it's a per cup and it's ground fresh. This is Costa coffee. I had some this morning. It was very good. This is a 2-queen suite. I'll step in here. Calm, cool, relaxing colors. Our kitchenette area, the pantry, a 2-burner stove, full-size microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator, all stainless steel. Very deep sink. It does have the trash compactor in it. Coffee provided for the coffee maker. There is 24-hour coffee downstairs. The linens for the kitchen. All the things that you would use, including sugar, coffee creamer, salt and pepper. There's a toaster, a strainer. There's other things available. Let's take a look in the refrigerator here. Oh yeah, they even provide a pitcher. Very nice. Let's see about the ice cube situation. Yes, ice maker, and there is ice dispensers downstairs as well. Now, turning straight around, we have the office area. Look at this chair, folks. What a nice chair. I'm gonna be comfortable when I'm editing this video. The lamp has plenty of charging stations. Here's the landing pad. You know, I always talk about that when I travel, somewhere where I can drop the keys and the hotel keys, information hooks like you see at the Avid, another IHG property, the bulletin boards, they supply the pins there. Now, folks, is this not luxury travel? A recliner, a nice little, what would you call this? Put it in the comments below. I'm just gonna call it a little side table. It has the holder for your drink. Above it is the hooks again that always remind me of the Avid brand hotel. I love having plenty of hooks. We have wall outlets. Look at this bed. I'll let you know what my overnight sleep was like. Focusing on the shared nightstand, slimline telephone. The lights has plenty of charging ports, a nice up-to-date radio. This is a Conair Anytime digital. I don't believe I've seen that. Comment below if you've stayed in a hotel that had that type of alarm system. Again, I'm telling you, plenty of outlets. Mounted TV, You can tilt it to look from the recliner to view, or in the bed in the evening, a full size, full length mirror, which is always very nice to have. Let's go into the restroom closet area. Here we have the ironing board, plenty of hangers, a laundry basket, the ironing board, the iron itself. I'll talk more about the laundry facilities here in a few minutes. Have another area for hanging, and then three dresser drawers. Let's take a look in the restroom. The mirror is backlit, always nice. They provide amenities like the makeup remover wipes, mounted. Which one do we have here? This is the hand wash. Okay, take a look down below. Plenty of towels, extra toilet paper, the hair dryer. Now, if you've watched my video on the Stay Bridge Suites, you knew I really like that extra drawer that they provided. This is very nice. Kleenex, very well decorated. Take a look in the shower. It's a tub shower combo. Dove products provided. That's signature to IHG. We have the grab bar. It's time to tour the gazebo grill, guest laundry, and fitness center. Come along with me. This is the gazebo and grill area. They got a nice char-broil grill, a seating area, and prep. You can get your barbecue utensils at the front desk. Nice lower chairs. Nice bar top and seating provided. Here's the other section, so you can have a couple of families prepping. Let's go on over here to the fire pit area. Very, very nice. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 chairs provided. Diamond Elite reserved parking spaces in the back. Very clean area. Oh, they even have a smoker's area here. Candlewood Suites provides free laundry. It's complimentary for hotel guests. They provide seating if you're going to wait, a large, clean folding area to keep everything organized. Here are what the washer and dryers look like. You just need to bring your own washing supplies. If you don't have those, you can purchase them in the pantry, and we took a tour of the pantry so you can see what is available to purchase. This is time saving and it's budget friendly. I talked with a couple traveling from Louisiana this weekend who said they traveled with carry-on only from Louisiana to Greater Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky Airport, which is CVG, with carry-on only. Saved them money because they did not have to check a bag, and obviously saved them time because they had the laundry service provided free. Consider it when you're planning your next trip, whether it's to Northern Kentucky or anywhere else in the world. Those things do matter. Let's check out the fitness center. Very nice, clean towel center. Water bottle refill, mounted TV, free weights. Very nice. Some different straps, yoga mat. Look, folks, a scale. I guess it's appropriate. The equipment looks very updated here. TV, all your electronic ports. Very nice. Yes, very clean, bright colors. This whole facility has just been wonderfully, is that a word, wonderfully maintained? It has been maintained. I really, really enjoyed my stay here. I thoroughly enjoyed my stay at Candlewood Suites in Erlanger. It's halfway between the Ark Encounter and Creation Museum, making it perfect for families, couples, even families that are multi-generational. I loved having that suite option with the full kitchenette. They do not provide any type of breakfast at this hotel, but with the full kitchen, as you see here, I would have been able to prepare breakfast. So it's perfect for people that are traveling and they want to prepare their own breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Because remember, they have that great gazebo area with the barbecue grills. Even though this hotel was close to I-75, I did not hear any traffic through the night at all. So don't even consider that when you're traveling. Also, that free laundry was a bonus, and I took advantage of it, utilize it. That was a great option. Even though there wasn't a pool here, I was so busy with other things, I did not miss the pool. So if you don't have to have a pool and you're looking for an affordable suite, look no further than the Candlewood Suites in Erlanger, Kentucky. You will definitely enjoy it. Be sure and check out the video above. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you for joining us. If this video was a blessing to you, be sure to subscribe as it helps us grow our channel. Like, comment, and share. We always love hearing from our followers. This channel is journeying through history, faith, in the heart of Kentucky. Safe travels. God bless.